Hey guys, welcome back to the evil Lair Projects and Builds. In this one we're going to do something for a friend of mine. His wife is in a civic organization and she's about to take a position as the lead person there. And she needs a gavel. So we're going to make her a gavel, but we're going to do it super cool. What we're going to do is we're going to take this piece of wood, we're going to kind of set a cross section in it. It kind of looks like that on each side, right? And then what we'll do is we'll put that in some casting sand and we'll pour some molten aluminum into it. Just get that nice finish on the top of it, clean it all up, and add some weird, spooky, weird stuff to it just to make it weird, and then we'll get that to them. So let's talk, let's go. We'll start cutting some stuff up. Boom.
Let's go. I was born to kill it, I was meant to win. I am down and willing, so I will find a way. It took a minute, now it didn't happen right away. When it get hot in the kitchen, you decide to stay. That's how it winners made. Stick a fork in the hater on my dinner plate. I walk into the fire like it's just a bit of flames. I switch my style up, watch the money pile up. I'ma get rich or die trying, want me switch lanes. I'm always getting better, I'ma be on 5th place. On this one, then 4th on the next. 3rd, 2nd, 1st, 4th, with the best. She showing love, give me all the raw energy. Don't stop, go ahead, get it in. Jump, knock, let me in. Huff and puff and blow the house down. Raw energy. Don't stop, go ahead, get it in. Jump, knock, let me in. Huff and puff and blow the house down. I do it for the love, they perform for the checks, and I still get more. They be bored by the rest. Had to put the work in, wasn't born in success. See the storm, it affects the performance. But I dance in the rain and the thunder, the drums. So I keep going hard, I won't stop till I'm done. From the bottom to the top, I'm the one. I can drop in a month, I'll be back at the top. Raw energy. Don't stop, go ahead, get it in. Jump, knock, let me in. Off and puff and blow the house down. Raw energy. Don't stop, go ahead, get it in. Jump, knock, let me in. Off and puff and blow the house down. Yeah, we blow the house down. Yeah, we blow the house down. Big moves will shake the ground. All the greats who came before us, we about to make them proud. We've got to make this count. Take the ball and raise it now. Make noise and crazy loud. It's all moment, let me hear you shout. Don't give up, we can turn it round. We got the fire, we burn it down. Then we'll pop champagne at the back of the club. Then we're back with a sweat, tears back with a blood. How to get it out of mud, kinda like Predator. Get to the chopper, pockets getting fatter, so she call me Big Mama. Raw energy. Don't stop, go ahead, get it in. Jump, knock, let me in. Off and puff and blow the house down. Raw energy. Don't stop, go ahead, get it in. Jump, knock, let me in. Off and puff and blow the house down. Raw energy.
All right, so here's where we're at. Got it kind of poured in there a little bit. I did a little file work on it just to test it to make sure it was nice and solid in there. But yeah, that's not coming out. So what we gotta do now is we gotta take these high points, we gotta make them even with the gavel part here. We're gonna use the sander for that, and then we're gonna take some files, kind of smooth it out, take away those gouge lines in it, and then make that even, and then I don't know, we'll do something with the wood, probably burn it and add some stain to it, to the wood parts of it. And then right here where we kind of get these little gaps, right? What we're going to do in there is probably inlay some glow powder to it. So when it's dark, it kind of lights up a little bit. I think that'll be a cool effect. But right now it's a mess, so let's clean it up, get a lot of sanding done. Sanding, and belt sander, and the whole 9 yards. Let's go.
Dark. Back from the dead is a miracle, doc. They counted me out. Moment of truth, counting it down. Underdog story was down for the count. Back on my feet, back with a mic, back on a beat, back with a family that bang in the streets. The game on the perks and I'm happy to earn them. Mr. Ambitious, kill it, I'm vicious, Mr. Determined. Riding the storm, but focus on rainbow connections like Kermit. The water on my shoulders, it was a burden. Now I don't notice it, everything turning, everything shifting, doing it different. I'm floating, I'm drifting. Shout out the slums, round the world we uplifted, doing it big. We about to change the game. We out here taking names. Let our voices rise. Let them reach the skies. We about to change the game. We out here taking names. Let our voices rise. Let them reach the skies. We about to change the game. We about to change the game. Let's go.
Alright, weirdos, that's done. We're finished. We finished it. Bam! There it is. And I was able to polish up to where the purple kind of came through a little bit better on it. I think that came out pretty good. Let's see if it works. Yep, that will get somebody's attention. Let's turn off the light and see how good glow powder works. That is kind of cool. I like that side right there. That came out really great. That side, it is what it is. But yeah, that is cool. Oh man. So yeah, a gavel. We used purple because purple shows royalty. That's the person in charge. Boom. They're an authoritative figure. They're royalty. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Nice little gavel for a nice little gift for a good friend of mine's wife who's about to take a leadership role. Hopefully she uses it. If not, that's on her. Whatever. That's fine. Hey guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Come back here and check us out. We're going to make some more cool stuff. Probably cooler stuff. I got an idea. Right? Other than that, I got nothing else, guys. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye. One more time. Order in the court.